Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nina and today's video is going to be all about arms. We're going to sculpt and tone and get ready for the summer. Let's start. We're going to have 15 seconds rest in between the exercises. All you need to do is just follow me up and listen to my voice. That's it. Let's start. We're going to start with the simple arm rises on the side with straight arms, just like this. Not too high, not too low. That's good. I like working out the arms. It's very nice to see the results. Who don't want to have a nice, lean, toned arms for the summer, especially when we're gonna have all t-shirts and, bikini season? Exhale, inhale. That's great. Just follow me. All you need to do is follow my voice and continue doing this. We're gonna get on the rest in 3, 2, 1. Great. Ooh. Just rest. Get easy on your body. All you need to do is work a little bit and always give the muscle the rest. Next exercise will be arm rises up above our head. Try to make the movement more symmetrical. Notice that my elbows are 90 degrees when I'm going down. It makes a 90 degrees angle. Just like this, yeah. Just like this. Great. Toned arms is my dream. I think I always wanted to have a nice, sexy arms. And that's so good. Just to use some weights helps 2 times faster to build the same muscle without weights. If you don't have any weights, that's okay, but consider acquiring some because because this really helps to build the muscle much more faster. If you don't know what weight to start with, I would recommend to start with the smallest weight possible and see how many repetitions you can perform. Next exercise will be simply putting the elbows together in front, just like this. Exhale when you put them together. Inhale when you open up. That's great. Today is so sunny. I know it's not easy times for everybody, but making some exercise really relaxes my mind, puts me away from all the stress. Great. Just like this. Yeah. Several more. We're gonna go on the rest in 3, 2, 1. Put them down. Whew. That's good. That's definitely very good. Okay, are you ready? We're gonna switch to the next exercise. That is alternating bicep curl, like this. We're gonna put one arm curled up and then another. Exhale when you put the arm down. That's good. Don't worry, you will not get bulky arms because this is low weight, designed for toning, not for bulking up. If you're afraid to look like a bodybuilder, don't worry. This exercise will not make you look like that. Great. Don't forget to hydrate. Have some water next to you. Very important. And we're getting on the rest. Rest. Ooh. If you want, let's shake the arms, like shaking them arms. Ooh. Oh, that feels better. That feels much better. Okay. Next exercise. Next exercise will be very small movement, but will work definitely, and you will feel it. Let's start putting the arms in front of us together. This is a very small movement, but very efficient. Notice that my elbow is nearly immobile, just locked here. Yeah. I'm moving only the weights and the arms. In and out. In, out. 1, 2. Exhale. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, heavy, right? 8, 9, and rest. Woo, we did it. Just a little rest. If you want, you can stretch your arms in front. This will definitely help. Oh, I like this burn. Okay, let's switch to the next exercise. This exercise is very, very nice. Take both of your weights on the hands, put behind the head, and rise just like this. Yeah, put it up and down, up and down. Exhale on the top, inhale on the bottom. This exercise is aiming your big wings. Do you know this shaky underarms? That it's aiming that is gonna tone and sculpt your arms, and you're gonna have very nice, very sexy, very sportive arms. Just go through this exercise. All you need to do is follow my voice and repeat. Remember, this is a favor that you're doing yourself today. And rest. That's good. Let's stretch them in the back. Woo. Very good. And the other arm. Great. That's good. Woo. Let's switch to the side, like this. Get one weight in the hand. Put one arm down. Lock your position. Get stable, and be ready to start. Just pushing the elbow up, just like this. Yeah, just like this. Very nice. Notice that I'm doing a very short movement with the weight, up and down, not diagonally, not like this, and not diagonally, but just up and down. Feel the muscle on the back working. Another sign that you're working very good is that you feel the muscle working and you feel the burn in the muscle. That definitely indicated you're doing something correctly. Exhale, inhale. Great. Oh yeah. Ah yeah. A little bit more. And last one. Let's rest a little bit. Shake your arms, shake your arms. Ooh. And we're gonna switch on the other side. Are you ready? Let's get on the position, right? Secure your balance and start. Whew. This exercise is very good. If you want, you can use heavier weights if you want, or if you can. But if you're new to this exercise, please start with the lightest weight you have. It's more important to make more repetitions than less repetitions with heavier weights. And by using proper weights, you're minimizing the risk of injury. And injury is not a friend of yours, definitely not, because when you get the injury, you have to stop working out for at least a week in order for muscle to heal. And let's stop. Whew. Therefore, try to prevent injury with all the means. Try to make warm out before the exercises and after. Rest your arms, rest your arms. Woo, yeah. And right now we're gonna do the last exercise. Grab your weights, get a comfortable position. Now, what I want you to do, just simply raise one hand, but don't bend forward. Trying to find a balance on your body, because the most important part is to imagine what muscle are you working out. You just don't want to bend. If you bend, your back muscle will be working. No, we want the arms. So get a straight, nice spine and lift. Exhale on the top. Ah, great. Such a wonderful day. Summer is coming. I want to be ready for the summer. Ooh. And I want to congratulate you actually, because if you're watching this, it means that you already made the 50% of the work, and that is wanting to change, wanting to do something for your body, wanting to make some modifications, some exercises to get a better body, to get a better shape. Congratulations! If you just started watching this video, that's okay. Just follow all along. And if it becomes too hard to follow, remember, you can drop the weight but continue doing, because stopping will not do work for you. You need to finish this video. You need to do this. And we're gonna finish in 3, 2, 1. Ooh, congratulations, you did it. You finished these arms. Oh, they must be burning right now. Let's do some stretches. This is very important after exercise, to perform some cooling down or stretching. Why? Because these will not only stretch the muscle, but prevent the next day pain. Also, it will diminish the risk of injury. Oh yeah, and you will feel much better. I don't know why, but after exercises, after sport, I always feel so good. Let's stretch our arm. If you want, you can put it on the floor, right? And stretch it like this. Oh yeah. This way you're using your body weight to stretch and open this muscle. These muscles are working a lot, but rarely getting stretched. Oh yeah, that's good. Feel the stretch. We can do both arms. But don't try to overstretch. Be gentle to your body. Oh yeah, that's good. Because we are performing a wellness exercise. We're not competing in stretchness. We're not competing who does more repetitions. We are just, oh yeah, stretch on the side. Very good. You should be feeling very nice opening here. Try to give some space between the shoulder and the ear. Yeah, that's good. Close your eyes. Exhale. And let's change the sides. That's great. I love exercises. I love exercises. I love working out. I'm very happy. I'm very thankful that you followed me today. Thank you very much. I hope to see you on the next workout. And take care. Ciao.